Hi everyone, so I promised I was going to show how I've kept Lami's clothes for this long. There you have it, vacuum bags. This method has worked for me for so long and it works really well. To stuff the clothes in, seal the bag, and then you suck the air out with vacuum. So I've sped up the video, the first bag that I'm doing. The next one I will slow it down a little bit so you can see what I've done. Okay, keep watching. Alright, so a lot of people already know about vacuum bags, I know. However, this video is for people who don't and who would like to keep their kids' clothes for longer. Even your clothes, your own clothes, you can keep them for longer if you want, like your summer clothes and your winter clothes. So yeah. So the next bag now, I'm just laying the clothes flat, and by the time you just make sure you don't overload it, keep it flat, and at the top you leave it a little bit of space so that you're able to close it properly, and then just seal that top shut. By the time you use the vacuum, you would know if the bag is not completely closed. So yeah, and check out the transformation. There you go. It's not just to keep your clothes fresh, it also helps with storage. If you have small storage, then this is for you. Yeah, hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.